Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C73 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper toggle, and as you can see here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. We can also tap on add from photos and basically set your own photo as a wallpaper, but I will pick something from pre-installed options. We've got plenty of beautiful wallpapers to choose from. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on the specific wallpaper and it will appear on the full screen. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on set as, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Then let's go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.